few examples on this. He said find tan 135. Now tan 135, we can write it 180 minus 45, and as we discussed, if we use 180, tan will remain same, tan theta. Theta here is 45. Now check the quadrant here, that 180 minus 45. This is 180 minus 45 means it lies in second quadrant. And in second quadrant we know only sine and cosecant are positive. So tan means this we have to see. So tan will be negative in second quadrant. So it is negative. So we got tan 45 is minus 1. So result of tan 135 will be minus 1. Cosecant 315, that is cosecant 270 plus 45. 270 plus 45 will be 315. So 270 cosecant will be changed. 90 or 270, we have to change the trigonometric function. Cosecant will be changed into secant 45. Cosecant 270 plus theta, that is secant theta, and 270 plus theta, this is 270 angle, 270 plus theta, positive direction of angle. 270 plus theta lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, don't see this, you have to see this. Cosecant is positive in second quadrant only, so fourth quadrant cosecant will be negative, so it is minus. And secant 45, we know cos 45 is 1 by root 2, so secant 45 is root 2, so our result is minus root 2, that is cosecant 315 degree. Secant 225, we can write it 180 plus 45. 180 plus 45, that is 180, there will be no change. 90 or 270 we have to change. So it is secant 45. Now see the quadrant 180 plus 45. 180 plus 45 means it lies in third quadrant, and in third quadrant only tan is positive. So secant will be negative. Minus secant 45 is minus under root 2 is the value of secant 225. Next is cotangent 330. Cotangent 330 we can write 360 minus 30. We can write 330 as 360 minus 30. Now 360 means there is no change in the trigonometric function. Cotangent theta is 30. Now 360 minus 30, that is, this is 360 minus negative direction of angle is this, so it lies in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant your cotangent is negative, in third quadrant it is positive, so put a negative sign. And cot 30, tan 30 we know is 1 by root 3, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, so cot 30 is root 3, so we got the result is minus root 3 for cot 330. So this was your basic concept, write it down.